Yo, not again. I had a fish on. I'm getting bites. I'm getting bites. You got one? You got one! On the Helgramite? Yeah. True. Hi, fishy. Ooh, that was a fish. I'm getting a lot of bites, but it might be too big for the fish. Bringing out the big guns. Yeah, I was getting bites everywhere I threw here. It's crazy. I'm gonna throw it further. I'm scared I'm gonna get in the tree.
That's a deer, guys. Record it.
Will it attack us? Bye, dear. Bye. And that one's a buck. I don't want a buck near me.
That's insane.
I was like, should I make noise or not? I feel like noise would probably be better because it scares them away.
Yeah, probably, but...
Something swiped at it. Something swiped at it. I went faster that time because I was like, maybe I need to go fast. My heart also. Did you not hear it? You didn't hear that? Yo. I didn't think I was going to be in luck today. Now I got hope. Something just swiped at it again. You see it? Two things just swiped at it.
I wonder if it's like sunfish or something?
No, I think it's a catfish.
There's no way.
No, watch.
Imagine.
Watch. You saw it?
No. Oh, I saw the left there.
Tell me if you can tell what kind of fish it is. Wait for the plastic to go away. Okay, you ready? Is it underwater? Where is it?
I have no idea.
Probably. Oh, it was underwater. Did a fish have it?
I have no idea.
Oh, I got one. I got a sunfish on the whopper plopper.
Nice.
That's cool. That's a little one. I knew there should be fish over there.
Yeah, I was getting bites there on the Helgramite.
Not the whopper plopper.
That's crazy.
How is it hooked? I'm confused. Oh, it's like that.
There you go.
Ooh. I just dropped your things. Oh my gosh, it stabbed me.
Are you okay?
The pliers.
Yo, yeah.
It's right there. I see them. I'm scared with my hand in there though. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
I'll hold you.
Oh, wait, you gotta let me go.
I'll hold you. There's a catfish or a bass would come out and bite your hand. You got it? I thought it was right there.
Oh, I missed it.
Can you see it?
Not anymore.
You pushed it lower?
Yeah.
You got it?
Oh, it's so
Sorry.
cold.
Sorry. It flopped out. That's so cool. Gotcha.
Thank you.
Sorry.
You're good. Nice.
Yo, that's so cool. I did not know that I hooked it. Is the deer coming back? The deer coming back? Redemption? What's up?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
How are you guys doing?
Y'all didn't bother to pay attention to the no trespassing sign?
What sign?
Huh?
What sign?
Oh, they're all over, especially where you walk.
Oh no, we didn't see any trespass. We didn't come from that way.
Which way did you come?
Across the street.
Okay, well, it's our private property, man.
Okay, we can leave.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't see any signs, sorry.
Up to, like, where is your property, though?
All of it.
Oh, really? Oh, so you guys own, like, both lots on each side? Oh, okay, because I checked the, like, lot maps, and I saw that it, like, ended at the creek, and I didn't know you guys ended on that side. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Oh, yeah, we'll leave. Sorry about that, guys.
Hey, no problem.
Let's go. Ready?